Welcome back to our house, living with the Lindsay. So I'm about to mix something with this, and I got some red already cut up bell pepper, green bell pepper, onions already cut up, some broccoli, and I got some potatoes going because I make mashed potatoes. So let's just see what it takes me. Okay, so this is what I decided to season my broccoli with: some salt, just a little bit, some orange pepper, a little bit of ground ginger. Hold on. There we go. Some complete seasoning. And some ground pepper, black pepper. Even though I know I just put that orange pepper in there, but still. And I got some butter that's gonna go on top and some water. And that's it. I did add the butter, and now I'm gonna add some water. Not too much water. Oops, not too much water. That should be enough water. Might be like an inch of water. Maybe I'll put a little bit more. Yeah, that's about it. And that's it. Okay, so I got my pan hot. It's on a 6. And then I have some hot chili oil already in my pan. And I'm gonna put some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna add some, where's my knife? I'm holding this with my hand, some butter. Hold on. Grab this butter. Alright, and then let that melt down. Alright, so I added my green pepper, bell pepper. The red is frozen. And you know what? And onion. You know what I did? I bought, oop, my thing in the way. I bought bell pepper, onion, you know, regular, just for cooking. But they always used to go bad. So I decided I'm going to chop them up myself and put them in the freezer. They sell them already like this in the freezer, but it costs like $3.99 for a little small bag of this just mixed like this, which is crazy. Like, and it's not even a big bag. And then they sell them all also in the produce section already cut up and mixed like this too, and they like almost $5 for a little container. So yeah, I just did it myself. And I'm gonna cook it, and then I'm gonna add I'm gonna show you what garlic I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add this garlic to my mixture. Yeah, and I'll be back. Okay, so I added the garlic. Now I'm gonna add this, the plant-based steak. Yeah, Beyond Steak plant-based. Let that cook around. Try to, before I add my seasoning a little bit. Let me add a little bit more oil, because it like it soaked it all up. Alright, here's the seasonings that I'm going to use. A little bit of stew beef seasoning. Okay, we got some onion powder to reinforce, you know, like a little onion. Oops, I just dropped my onion powder. Complete seasoning. Not a lot. Some Sazon. Oh. Some paprika. Some pepper. And a little bit of salt, just a little. gonna start stirring. Y'all have eaten this plant-based meat before. I made some tacos out of it with some cilantro, onion, cooked onion, and yeah, let's eat cooked onion. So I'm gonna add a little bit more oil and butter. Hold on, let me do this. Some more oil and butter, right? Hold on. Now I'm gonna add my slurry, cause I'm gonna make a gravy, and then I'll be back once I get the gravy where I want. Okay, so I got the gravy where I want it. It's thick. I just added water just to get it where I want it, and I'm gonna go mash my potatoes, and I'll be. Okay, so I put the I don't even know how much butter that is, but I put some butter in. I'm just mashing it the old-fashioned way because I broke both my mixer, my hand mixer and my stand mixer. So hey, but I've always mashed potatoes like this. Okay, and I'm gonna add some Colby Jack cheese. Uh-oh, hold on. Alright, I added the cheese. I couldn't open. I thought I had it open, but I guess I didn't. But I'm just trying to get it. And I'm adding a little bit of ranch. Some pepper. Some salt. All right, I gotta get the milk. Okay, so I finished the mashed potatoes. You can see the cheese. And you know, this is dinner. What is it? The plant-based steak. It's really good. Thank y'all for watching.